Sure, absolutely. So our initiative is completely peer-reviewed, community-oriented. We do the whole entire crowdsourced situation because I really think that that's the way that you keep everybody and everything in check. I think when you have like a top-down organization, it's just prone to, exploits are just being run a particular way. Whereas if you open something up to the community, you get a variety of perspectives and criticisms, which will help your project succeed more. So, anyways, everything starts by a review request just being sent to our main chat on Telegram, RugDoc chat. It can be from the farm, it could be from a random investor, or just even someone who's curious about it. These requests get logged into a database, which our team then scans and review it. Way back in the day, it was only me doing these scans, and my life was literally just like morning to night looking at code. But luckily, we've grown to a point now where I have a really awesome team of scanners that we've actually recruited from inside of our community. And so we all kind of work together to check each other's work and get everything uploaded to our website, essentially. We really look at these Solidity contracts, at these smart contracts, whatever the smart contract for a project that really controls it. Usually it's a master chef for a farm, but it could be a strategy or a factory if it's an AMM or if it's, a vault. And we basically look through these codes manually. We don't use a software. We just don't think software is properly able to pick up on novel types of exploits because rugs and exploits are truly an exercise in human innovation, trying to get one step ahead. So we manually review these and we check for features, usually in deposit fees or transfer fees. We'll check custom features. We look for common bugs, migrator functions, and we actually keep a comprehensive library on our Wikipedia, wiki.rugdoc.io, of common exploits and bugs. So, if you're ever curious about checking your own contracts, or at least at a basic level, you can start to run them by your own self. We do also, to some point, look at tokenomics now, just because, again, this is a community-oriented project, and we had enough calls that they really wanted us to start looking more at serious tokenomics issues. Well, our goal is truly to look in the contract for hard rug code. We do also look for just certain types of softer features that are basically a recipe for failure.